What's going on, Nutrition Nation? Mo here, IFBB professional bodybuilder. Today I have a very interesting news and a new product in the store. We have hydrolyzed clear beef protein. Yes, you heard that right. This protein is the best thing. Amazing product, taste amazing, low calories, zero fat. Yes, zero. No fat at all, 27 grams of protein. I promise you, if you think you tasted a good protein, wait till you taste this one. This one is different. It has all 9 essential amino acids in there. Again, 27 grams of protein. You wanna get lean and jacked? Come to Nutrition Nation. Come grab you a beef isolate clear protein. You would not be disappointed. Come on in, we are waiting for you.